good.
Nice. Why are you not in school today?
Because I was busy.
Busy doing what?
Taking care of my kids.
Your kids. So, I have one question. Why you don't want to be with me?
Because, you can't handle what I got going on.
Look, I really love you. It doesn't matter whatever you got going on.
You love me?
Yes.
I got a lot of kids.
It doesn't matter. I can take care of all of them. Even you too.
You want to meet them?
Yeah, why not?
Elijah, come here. Zaire! Come, Elijah. Zaire! That's my first baby.
What's up, little guy?
Zaire?
What's up, man? You good? Oh, that's it?
Faith?
Oh, one more?
Kiara? Jamari? Window! Nathaniel? Go! Hey, Lauren!
Look.
Yeah, these my... Where you went?